Yeah, we'll have this motor out after lunch. This frame out, new frame in, motor in.
Yeah. Cool.
All right, guys, we're back for day 3 on the 2019 Cummins build. On day 1, we put the truck into the shop. We assessed what's going on with it, figured out that the frame is actually bent. And next, we move forward with stripping the whole truck. We disassembled the engine. We're gonna split the truck. We're gonna lift the cab, take the box off of it, and get the new frame underneath it. So today, we've just lifted the cab off of it, got the box off of it, and now we're gonna start stripping the frame, take the whole drive line out of it, and get the new frame to roll in here and start putting it back together. We just lifted the box outside here onto the box cart, and then over here we do have the new frame ready to be rolled into the shop once they get everything stripped off.
You can unbolt that motor mill. So even though we're going to throw out this frame, we're going to fix this frame for a future truck. So we're going to strip this rear diff out of it that is broke right in half, and have to get a new one for this frame once it's all fixed and ready for another truck. Not this one.
So what have you been doing?
It will go.
Just disconnected things, took out the engine mount, transmission mount, part of the exhaust. Now I'm just tying up wiring so it's out of the way when we pull the motor trans.
So you're gonna pull the motor soon?
That's the plan, hopefully.
We had stated that the frame was actually bent, but technically the frame isn't bent. It is just the rear pocket on the back side here, but it's just going to be a lot quicker for us to swap the whole frame out and then fix that part later on. So we still can use this later. We'll put the new frame back into the new one.
Yeah, we'll have this motor out after lunch. This frame out, new frame in, motor in.
Yeah.
We are going to move the gantry over here so we can pull the motor out of this frame.
We're going to push this truck back so we can get this through here to take the engine out of that.
Stop. I can't see back there.
Yeah, I can't see either.
So you're judging. Right a bit there, I think. Oh fuck, we still got another foot. Right there. That one's mine. Close. Yes.
A bit more.
There? There. Yeah. Why are you going so fucking far?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're way too far forward, man. Try that. Alright, now we need a strap. Nope. Yep. You got it.
Right up to the chain. Make sure we're not pinching this hard.
Because if this is way heavier than up here, so if you don't do that, it's gonna just keep on tipping and tipping back.
Balances it. Good. Yep. Here, leave it.
We'll go grab that, we'll move that box, I'll get the tractor, get this frame out, get the new one in. Yeah, no, it's right there. Alright, you ready, steady? Start going down. Start going down, bud. Oh, this side's far away. So yeah, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Hold up. Hey, pry bar. Down. They'll go in. They'll find this hole. Trust me. Like the glove. New frame is in, motor's in new frame. Now we're just about to start putting it all back together, put the cab back down on the frame. We are stripping our new frame of all its components because it is probably not the same as our original truck, so to make sure everything works the way it's supposed to, we're going to put all the components off the original frame onto this frame. Stop. One, two.
Not full.
Cool?
No. I just held it. Is it too heavy? What the fuck?
Oh,
It's
this
not
right
on-
here.
Where's my pry bar?
Right here.
The fuck, why can't I get this one to come the fuck apart? I bet we fucking just pry the fuck right out of it. Oh,
You gotta push it in at the top.
I know, but it's just not
I had a
fucking...
problem with that. I had to like do it like on an angle, so it pushes those tabs up.
All these little clips are a blast, eh?
No, these fucking suck. There, got it. I win.
Low blow.
We're putting on the original emission system, the original depth tank.